It's glad to have you back again on my channel. Today I want to show you a business model you can start with just your smartphone anywhere in the world. If perhaps you're looking for means to make money online, then you really need to consider this kind of business because it does not require any startup cost or startup capital. I'm going to show you how you can become a successful dropshipper with just your smartphone. I'm going to show you how you can source for product online and offline with just your smartphone. So let's stick to this video to the end because I'm going to review a secret that you can apply into dropshipping and succeed in it. So what you're going to be talking about here is what is dropshipping, advantages of dropshipping, how it works, the best practices that can help you succeed as a dropshipper, sites that you can source for product as a dropshipper. So I'm going to be showing you some sites, and I'm going to show you also offline strategy that you can use to source for product as a dropshipper. This is one of the best strategies you can use to source for product offline as a dropshipper. So you just have to stick to the end of this video because it is on the end or by the end of this video that I'm going to show you this strategy you can apply as a dropshipper and succeed. Okay, so what is dropshipping? If today is your first time hearing about dropshipping, now this is a business model where a retailer sell a product it doesn't physically possess and the supplier directly ship to the customer. Dropshipping is an art of online retail model where the store sells a product it doesn't physically possess and the supplier directly ship to the customer. So I'm going to try to break this down as simple as possible so you can understand. Now you as a dropshipper, you look for a wholesaler who will allow you to host his or her product, or yes, to promote his or her product as a dropshipper. And what you have to do is to look for buyer who are interested in the product, and if you find anyone who shows interest in a particular product and the both of you negotiate on the price of that product, and if the customer agree, do the payment and everything, you collect the customer details and everything, you send it to the wholesaler who will do the shipping. So how do you make money as a dropshipper? How do you make money as a dropshipper? You make money as a dropshipper from the price difference. For instance, a wholesaler or a manufacturer say, I'm selling this product for 5,000 naira. If you're Nigerian, he says, I'm selling this product for 5,000 naira. You as a dropshipper, what you are going to do when you want to list this product or you want to start promoting this product on your online store, you have to put an additional price of maybe 1,000, maybe 5,500, but you make money on the price different. Yes, you make money on the price different. A wholesaler say, I'm selling this product for 5,000. You are going to list it on maybe 6,000 or 5,000 or 7,000. So any amount you list this product, and if a customer pays you that amount, all you just have to do is to take the price difference and you give the wholesaler his or her own price of maybe 5,000. That is how this business is done. You make money from the price difference. Now the advantages of this kind of business, you don't need any startup cost, either a low startup cost or no startup cost at all. Okay, so you don't say I don't have money, so this kind of business is not for me. Mind you, this kind of business you can sell both digital product and both physical product also without any startup cost. Dropshipping eliminates the need for inventory investment as the retailer only purchases product after receiving payment from customer. So you don't need any startup cost. You only make payment as you are being paid by the customer. That is where you can pay the wholesaler. Now another advantage is wide product selection. Since you don't keep inventory, you can promote as many product or different types of product as you want. Now location independent, like I said earlier on the beginning of this video, that you don't really need or location. Your location does not matter in starting this kind of business. What you need is an internet connection, a smartphone, or perhaps a laptop. You can go ahead starting this kind of business. So you can stay in Nigeria here and controlling a product maybe in China, or you can stay in Nigeria here and controlling a product maybe in London or any other part of the world, or you can stay in Nigeria here in another state and you are controlling a product in another state. That is how this business works. Very simple kind of business you can start. But all you just have to do is to find a wholesaler who will allow you to list this product or drop ship their product. Now, a simple breakdown of how this kind of business works. First thing first, set up an online store. Set up an online store. I think this should be regarded optional, because you can decide to use your social media handle to promote the product, or you use the Facebook marketplace to promote a product. Now the next one here, source for product. Source for product. You can go to wholesalers, you can go to companies, you can go online or offline. I promise to show you how you can source for product offline. That will be towards the last part of this video. So source for product, I'm going to show you a marketplace where you can source for product online. Yes, I'm going to show you a marketplace you can source for product online. Then the next one here is product listing. Product listing. After you have sourced for product, you have agreed with the wholesaler or the manufacturer, you list the product. Maybe you start promoting the product on your social media handle or on Facebook marketplace, uploading the pictures of that product, the description, everything, details about that product. Now the next one here is customer order. If a customer shows interest and make payment, order fulfillment, you send the wholesalers money. They are great price between you and the wholesaler. You send it to the wholesaler and you keep back your own price different. Then the shipping and everything, delivery and everything is on the wholesaler. All you just have to do is to just send the wholesaler his own part of the money, and the shipping and everything is on the wholesaler. But what you are going to do as the dropshipper is tracking and customer support to make sure the customer have received his or her product. This is so important. That is the only way you can keep them coming back. Tracking and customer support. But the shipping and everything is on the wholesaler. Now, best practices that can help you succeed as a dropshipper. Research and choose reliable supplier. This is a very important point. Research and choose a reliable supplier. So if after you make payment to the supplier, he or she will deliver the product as agreed, it's very important. Research and choose reliable supplier. Test product and order sample if possible. Yes, you test the product and order sample if possible to know that this product is true and available. You see the product condition and everything. The next one, build a professional and a user-friendly website. Like I said earlier, it is optional. You can use Facebook Marketplace or use a social media handle. The next one, implement effective marketing strategy. This is where the growth of every business relies or lies. Yes, growth of every business lies here. If you want to really succeed as a dropshipper, then 24 hours, 7 days a week, you must be able to promote what you are doing. Be able to put what you are doing there so that people can see. And if anyone who is interested will buy from you, be able to tell people, this is what I do, this is what I'm selling. That is all about marketing. You do it by all means. The next one here, provide excellent customer service. A so important point. Provide excellent customer service. So important. Always track to make sure your customers have received the product in good condition. Okay. Now, best sites to source for product. Best sites to source for product. We have Alibaba here. We have TradeKit Nigeria. We have Nigeria Mart. We have Jumia, Konga, and Gigi. So we are going to do a quick review on Gigi, how to source for product. But before then, let me tell you how you can source for product locally or offline, because this is also important also in this video. This is what I promise I'm going to tell you. Now, if you want to start as a dropshipper, you need to source for product like we have said earlier. Now, to source for product offline, I say that you should consider asking friends, families, colleagues, church members, relations, friends around you, people around you, if they have any product or anything they want to sell. Maybe a landed property, a car, a house, anything they want to sell. Then the both of you can agree on the price that they want to sell it, and you start promoting this product. If you find buyer, you can link the buyer to the owner of the product and say, this is what I agreed on the price, so he's going to pay you this. But when he pays you this, give me back my own, you take your own. This is how the business works. Okay, so it is very simple, because this part I think is the most reliable, because you are going to have access to the product. You can see the product, you can take pictures of the product, you can even handle the product. Yes, you can even handle the product and you promote it. That means you are sure of what you are promoting. So you can source for product from families and friends. Ask your family members, ask your relations, do they have anything they want to sell? Maybe a landed property, a car, anything they are selling or they want to sell. You start promoting and you make your money. It's very simple. So I want to show you how you can source for product on Gigi store or Gigi marketplace. So I'm going to go to my Chrome browser now. I'm going to show you how to do that, and I'm going to show you some best kind of product that has potential of making more sales. Yes, product that have the potential of making sales. So let's go to Gigi now as I show you that. Alright, so this is my Chrome browser here. We are going to go to gg.ng. Gg.ng, like I said earlier, is an online marketplace. Okay, so you can search for product here. Like I told you earlier on, search for product that has a potential of selling. For instance, you can search on product or related to women, maybe women clothing. Sexual enhancement product are highly sought out for. People tend to buy it. You can find them on places like this G store. Sexual enhancement product, women clothing, women undies. They have potential of selling. Let's search for women undies. Let's see something here. Let's say women underwears. All right. The reason I recommend searching for women product because they have the potential of selling. Women will always want a logo, so they will always want to buy. Right. So you can go through it here and see the ones you can list. Like for instance, you can see female underwears of different design or of different format, right? So you can go on the one with low prices so that you can be able to add, like this women the female underwear here says 900. You can decide to go for this one. So let's go for this one. Let's see what is here. All right, so if you watch here, it has over 7 different images of it. You can see these are beautiful things that women would really want to buy. Right, you can see them here. You can see them. Okay, so now next thing now you need to do now is to contact this person. You can decide to send him a message or you decide to call him so that you agree, so that the both of you can agree. So you tap on show contact. This is the person contact here. This is a direct contact to the person who owns this product. The reason why I recommend Gigi for sourcing out for product is because you get access to the wholesaler personally. Not like Jumia. Jumia, you have to pass through the company. But here on Gigi, you get access to the seller directly or the wholesaler directly. So I recommend using Gigi. Okay, so you can go find a product that you really want or that is related to your niche. Maybe if you are into health, yes, or you want to promote product on sexual enhancement. Let's say, coming. Sorry for that. Okay, let's say now sexual enhancement. That's a sexual enhancement. Let's just say something like that. And we can see different. All right. Okay. So you can see them here. There are several of them here. There are several of them here. Several of them here. You can see also the location also. You can see also say Spanish Go Fly Sex Drop full pack. Wow. So that's a 20,000 and everything. So you can see the price range here. So you can decide to start promoting products like this because they have the potential of selling. I can guarantee you there's a potential of selling such product because many men want to last long in bed and they're having issues with this sex being able to last in bed, so they can really buy from you. Okay, so that will be all for this video now on how to start as a dropshipper. If peradventure you didn't understand, you can as well rewind the video back and watch again. So that will be all. If peradventure you have not subscribed to my channel, just go ahead now, hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we drop new videos. So that will be all for now. See you in the subsequent videos. Bye for now.